What's up? What's up? What's up, y'all? It's Lindy, and this is Lindiorslife. You're back for another one, and today we are cutting up Miss Girl. Miss Girl. I've been seeing flip over quick weaves everywhere, right? And before I really go buy the hair, do the stuff, blah blah blah, I just wanted to try. I wanted to try to do a flip over moment with the wig I already have, because honestly I'm tired of wearing the lace out. Like, it be stressing me. It looks good sometimes, but then sometimes it doesn't look that good, and I just be like, I'd rather just have my natural hairline out right now. So I'm just gonna cut it. I'm just gonna cut it, and we're gonna vibe, and we're gonna see what we can do if we turn this lace unit into a U-part wig. So I think I'm just gonna cut it, and then we're gonna try and see. I'm gonna try not to cut too far back, just in case I want to try to finesse it another day. Should I cut like this much, or should I just cut? I'm trying to decide if I should cut into the lace or just cut the front of the lace. Let's cut the front of the lace first. I think that's what I'm gonna do first. I'm gonna cut the front of the lace off first, and then see what I can do with that. Okay, as we can see, okay, not that bad. I'm definitely gonna have to shade the lace with some I'm gonna have to shade the lace with some eyeshadow, because we really want it to blend. I'm using this black eyeshadow, and I'm going in straight on the lace, straight on the lace. Okay, so I didn't really explain it that well, but I'm here to explain it now. So when I cut my lace, I cut from like track to track. So you know how frontal just kind of like sits in the middle? I cut straight across. So all that front part that basically it's like supposed to sit on your forehead and stuff, I just cut that straight across. So I still have lace on my wig, but it's the front part of it is gone, which is fine. And then what I will say about this flip over method when you're trying to take it from a regular wig is definitely less hair out is better. I think I was trying to put too much hair out here, and it wasn't like the cutest look, but you'll see at the end clips when I try the hairstyle again, I took out less hair and pulled the wig forward more, and it worked perfectly. And literally just putting the eyeshadow on the lace literally made everything just kind of like blend and disappear. So that's also a really good tip. Make sure you do that if you really want to, you know, take it from a regular frontal wig to a flip over. Those are very, very vital situations. But yeah, other than that, this worked well, especially because my wig is like one of those like yaki type wigs. It blended really well with my hair. Honey, that took a million years, and it's honestly a construction zone happening up in here. But this is my little rendition of this little flip over, child. I'm gonna wear it throughout the week, or at least attempt to, and see. Hopefully there's no track showing up here, but I literally just finessed. I don't know nothing else but to say that this was just finesse. But this is my little rendition. I'm gonna try a middle part too, but this is side part action. Okay, girlies, and this is a possible middle part. Honestly, I'm in here just doing stuff because the hair is dropping and I don't feel like doing anything anymore. So yeah, this I mean, I guess you could call this a fail. It could be a W, but essentially this is the half up, half down. Maybe I'll wear it to work like this. This could be, ooh, wait, this could be cute. I might do that. If you made this far and this video actually goes up, thank you so much for watching. Okay. Thank you for watching, y'all. So this is what I ended with. Like, it's cute. It'll get the job done. I want to go outside. But this is me at literally a week later. And look at it. Hair done. It actually looks way more put together. It looks like a flip over. It almost looks like a full sew-in. And it's because I use less hair, y'all. Take that tip.